He had everything: a respected family, a brilliant mind, and a future filled with power and comfort. Subhas Chandra Bose had cleared the Indian Civil Services exam, the dream of millions. But his heart was not at peace. Every time he saw his country in chains, every time he saw Indians bowing before the British, his soul cried, "How can I serve rulers when my motherland is enslaved?" But in 1921, Subhas Chandra Bose made a decision that shocked the entire nation. He resigned from the ICS. No money, no power, no fear, only one dream: freedom for India. People called him mad, people called him foolish, but he chose sacrifice over comfort and nation over self. Later, he formed the Indian National Army and gave a call that still shakes our hearts: "Give me blood and I will give you freedom." He was not just a leader, he was a fire, a revolution, a name that still ignites patriotism: Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose. His life teaches us one truth: true heroes are born when courage defeats fear. Salute to the man who chose India over everything.